Now question of the day, our motto, determine the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Our motto, determine frictional force and acceleration of the block. So how can we determine? First of all, here mu s is 0.3 and mu k is 0.25. Mu s means coefficient of static friction and mu k means 0.25 is coefficient of kinetic friction. So first of all, make free body diagram of 10 kg block, okay, and we have considered g is equal to 10 meter per second square, okay. Now mg always work on downward direction, so written 10 into g. G is 10, so 10 into 10, that is how much? 100 Newton, okay. Represent like that one. Normal force applied by the surface on the block is how much? N. Represent like that one. If this block is not moving in vertical direction, so you can say that N is equal to 100 Newton, okay. Now here applied for driving force is how much? 20 Newton. So frictional force generate always per opposite direction of 20 Newton, so written like that one. Now here maximum restriction force is how much? This is equal to maximum possible frictional force on the block. So F max is written as FL. FL means limiting value, okay. Okay, so FL, this is equal to mu s into n. This is equal to how much? 0.3 into 100, that's around 30 Newton. Now the requirement condition of moving block is how much? If FL is greater than capital F, means driving force, then block is not moving, mean acceleration of block is 0. Now if capital F is greater than FL, then block is moving, and that time acceleration is not 0. Absolutely clear? So written here if, here if. So look here, FL is how much? 30 Newton and driving force is 20. So FL is greater than F, capital F, so acceleration of the block is 0. So you can say that, also clear, why acceleration is 0? Because maximum limiting value is greater than F, okay. Driving force 20, that is 30 and that is 20, so block is not moving at that time. So you can say that F minus net force on the block is 20 minus small f. This is equal to, according to Newton's second law, mass into acceleration. 10 into acceleration is 0 because this block is not moving. So you can say that F this is equal to 20 Newton. So that time frictional force is how much? 20 Newton. At that F is called static frictional force. That force is called static friction. So I already written here. Hence maximum restriction force on the block is 30 Newton is greater than driving force acting on the block 20 Newton. Hence the block will not move. Hence the block is not move. Frictional force will be static nature. That frictional force is static nature, and that static frictional force, the static friction is of the self-adjusting nature. Static friction force is self-adjusting nature. The value of static friction will be such that keep the block is static condition. Hence the frictional force F is equal to how much? 20 Newton. I also clear, make it.